Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick update video on my 9.5 litre keg setup with the Sodastream cylinder. So as you can see, I've added some beer line between the regulator and the gas in post there. So that's great, so no more worries about the weight of the cylinder. But then it had me thinking about how could I keep the gas cylinder and the regulator upright. Didn't really want to attach it to the side of the fridge or to one of the kegs. So I was looking online a couple of days ago and I came across a 3D printer file. This thing here, which is really the main purpose of the video. It's obviously a gas bottle or Sodastream gas bottle stand. And it works a treat. So I downloaded the file and I found someone locally who does 3D printing, sent them the file, and this is the end result. So chose the blue color just to match the Sodastream cylinder. It's nice and sturdy, so there's no way I'm gonna knock that bottle over. Don't have to worry about damaging the regulator. And even better, now I can transfer the gas from one keg to another with one hand, whereas before I was having to support the weight of the cylinder as I transferred it from one keg to another. So yeah, happy days. So I'm really happy with that solution. Works really well. So yeah, I thought definitely of interest if you're running a separate Sodastream bottle. So what I've done is I've put a link to the 3D printer file in the video description below, and that way you can just send it to someone with a 3D printer, or you may even have one yourself. The only thing it says in the file link is just to make sure you attribute the Sodastream bottle stand to the person who created the file. So I actually put their name on the video below. So thank you to them for doing all the hard work. And yeah, happy days. So if you got any questions, guys, just sing out. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Over and out.